Well, hello, beautiful people. This is Erica from Trendy Mami, and today we're going to review the Curator Winter 2021 box, and I am excited. So for those of you who don't know, Curator is a luxury subscription box created and curated by the famous stylist Rachel Zoe. It ships every season, and in every box you will find 5 products in lifestyle, beauty, and fashion categories. 2 of these products will be of your choice, so you will have 2 options for each choice to pick from. You will see that the overall value of all the items together will be way higher than the actual cost, which is $99.99 per season if you want to pay per season, or $349.99 per year, which is actually even cheaper. So without further ado, let's open the box. So we reviewed a few boxes before and they were really good. I personally loved the summer one very much, but let's see what winter has to offer. So first we have the magazine which will tell you what the box has inside, and it will deliver you detailed information about each product, and also beauty tips and anything else related to the items, fashion, beauty, or lifestyle. So let's get going. It's packaged so perfectly. It's very classy. So I'm actually gonna keep the magazine here, booklet, not sure how to call it, but I take them out of the box. It's packaged so nicely that I feel bad breaking the paper. Ooh, and we start with jewelry. So these are Jennifer Zuner jewelry, which I see here, and they look amazing. Sorry guys, I'm looking at the magazine, but I should look at the real product. Wow. So we have the golden one. I can't wait to try this. And we have the silver one. They're exactly the same, just one is gold, one is silver. According to the magazine, they are $132 value, and they look great. Then we have, ooh, Third Love. Oh my goodness, this is a kimono. This is sexy, looks comfortable, looks perfect for winter. It's made by Third Love, and according to the magazine, black satin robe has $70 value. And it's beautiful, you guys. I cannot wait to try it. Let's keep going. So, ooh, good. Making me want to go out again. Oh, this is perfect. This is perfect for a winter night out. It's beautiful. Look at this. Fun. I love it. I want to go dancing. This is perfect. Let's see what they say here. Oh, here you go. JJ Winters Nikki Clutch $79 value. Ways to style it: get wild with this metallic mock croc clutch by pairing it with faux leather pants and a slinky sweater at night. Oh yeah. You Beauty resurfacing compound. Let's see what it is. Surfacing compound, it has a $228 value. It says why your skin will love it. This multitasker will simplify your beauty routine by combining 6 products in one. It brightens, tightens, renews, and protects to give you the lit from within glow thanks to a potent formula that also happens to be gentle on sensitive skin. I'll take a look at this miracle. Let you know how it goes. Okay, so we have a mascara by Jer Weiss, not sure how to pronounce it. According to the magazine here, the Impossible Mascara, it has a $32 value. It gives your makeup look a dash of drama, nourishing your lashes with natural ingredients while adding volume and length. I'll try it on later and possibly post a picture in the article that you guys can find the link below. And last but not least, we have this gorgeous, oh, and soft and warm. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I want to wrap myself around this. It's a blanket. Oh, and it's so soft and it's so nice. Oh, you guys. Look. I wish you could feel how soft this is. No, I'm not moving. If it wasn't for the clutch that makes me want to go out, this one makes me want to stay. So, according to the magazine, I'm gonna finish the video like this. This is an ivory African zebra blanket. It has 129 value, and I can tell you already that this is worth everything. Oh my goodness, I am so happy with all of this. I cannot wait to try the serum as well as the mascara and the robe. I'm gonna be with the blanket all day. I'm loving this, guys. Okay, so overall the value is obviously like way more than what you will pay seasonally for a box like this. So Curator did it again. I am extremely happy, and I honestly, from the bottom of my heart, tell you this box is worth it. And if you're into beauty and fashion, the products that they pick are really good, and obviously you will pay a lot more if you bought them singularly. So if you're having any doubts, go buy. Try Curator. They also have a welcome box. If you're not sure to go for the full subscription, go and get the welcome box that I believe has less items, but from there you can decide if you want to keep the subscription or not. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye.